Happy New Year everyone! Welcome back to TheMonaZine. It is officially 2026 and I wanted to start this year off with a fresh canvas, literally. I decided to treat my studio space to a little update. This is the van Bleiswijck Holland table Easel. There is something so grounding about the smell of a new wood and the promise of a blank surface. I have been eyeing something like this because I really wanted to improve my posture and my flow, like my workflow this year. The wood finishing is beautiful, but the real game changer is this storage. Just look at this. You can arrange everything by your own. It is very easy. Look at that. Finally, a proper home for my favorite brushes and tubes. It's compact, steady, and honestly, it just makes me want to paint immediately. The best part is the flexibility. It is adjustable to whatever angle fits your posture, and you can attach many different sizes of canvas to it securely. Also, look at this. It really adds up to whatever project I am working on. Also, look at this. It looks so beautiful. I really love how it looking like. Here is to a year of creating more art and getting organized. Thank you for watching my first video of 2026. Let's make something beautiful.